We're going to do level 5. So what we're first going to do is create a circle with the center point being B, and we're going to go to A. So that means that any point on the circle is going to have the same distance that A does from B. We're going to create a line segment from A to where the circle intersects the line again. This will be C. Then we're going to do midpoint from A to C. Then we know the exact middle from A to C, and then we're just going to do a line segment from B to D, and that is how we create a perpendicular point using a circle. And that's how you complete level 5. Thanks for watching.